Hello again, everyone. Miss D here. In our last lesson, we opened Word. We learned how to use spell check. We customized the ribbon. We customized the quick access toolbar. And we learned how to save our document. To this lesson, which is lesson 2 in the beginner's class of Intro to Microsoft Word 2013 and 2016, we're going to learn some shortcut commands, Ctrl Home and Ctrl End, and we're going to add text from another file. Okay, so let's get started. So I'm going to click into my document, and you can see where my insertion mark is right here by the what colon. So on my keyboard, I'm going to press Control and Home at the same time. And it's going to take me to the top of my document. So that's just a fast way to get to the top of your document if you are in the middle of your document and you want to go back to the top of your document. So you don't have to scroll up and scroll down. Now, I'm at the top of my document and you can see the insertion mark blinking. And I'm going to press on my keyboard Control N at the same time. Control N, and you see it takes me to the bottom of my document. So again, that's a fast way to navigate to the bottom of your document if that's where you need to be while you're working in your document. So right now I'm going to go back to the top of my document, which is Control Home, and I am going to click where it says Refuge. And I know you're working in a different document, but that's fine. You can do the same commands or complete the same commands within your particular document. And I'm going to press enter one time on my keyboard because what I'm going to do now is I have created another document with my name in that document. And instead of typing my name in this particular area, what I'm going to do is actually take a shortcut and click on the insert tab on my ribbon. Okay, insert tab. And then I'm going to the text group right here. All right, remember these are groups. And I'm going to click on the object command and I'm going down to click on text from file. Because what I am doing is I'm going to go out and find my extra file. I call this file an extra file because it has my name. You can see the preview here. It says written by Professor Denise. Okay, so I'm going to click on this. And it inserts my name right there. Now, it looks like it has a space there, so I'm just going to close that up. And this looks like it's too far down, so I'm just going to click the delete button, not the backspace button, but the delete button to bring that up. Okay? So, since I mentioned this, even though I wasn't going to go over this, let me just show you what the delete button does versus the backspace button. So, I'm going to put my insertion mark right in front of the S. So now if I click my backspace button, it's going to take me back. It's going to take out the first space and it's going to take out the colon. All right. So I'm going to use my undo button, which is this right here, undo button on my ribbon to put the backspace in and the colon in. Okay. And it took me too far. So let me just do that just a couple more times. There we go. And see if I can get the colon back in. Yep, the colon's in. Now, I'm back where I started. Now, what I'm going to do is press the delete button on my keyboard. And you'll see the delete button will take out the capital S. Okay, there it is. It'll take out everything going to the right. So you do not want to click backspace when you're trying to delete information that is on your right. You want to click delete when you're trying to delete the information that's on your right. You backspace only when you want to go back. Okay, so those two buttons have two different functions. So make sure you understand the delete button, the difference from the delete button. It deletes everything that's on your right, and your backspace button will delete everything that's on your left or taking you backwards. All right, well, that's a short lesson, but that is the lesson for today. And the next lesson, we'll go over headers and footers, margins, and how to change your orientation and how to insert a watermark. All right. I'll see you in the next lesson. Thank you and have a great day. Bye-bye.